What would you do if a new competitor hire your sales director, steal your customers' data bank and all of the secret in your company, then by propaganda against you, your product and your brand try to offer and sell to your customer? This challenge could be a really big problem for any business and could destroy many businesses. Yes, but if you know something by a secret weapon, you could solve all of the problems and you could create a big solution for all of these problems. In this video, I want to share my own business story which happened for me, and I want to tell you how did I overcome this problem. In 2005, I started my first company, and in that time I was importing thermo-treated wood and its paints and colors from Finland, and I was distributing them in Middle East countries, especially in Iran. After about 5 or 6 years, when my business was growing really good, fast, and I was seeing success day by day, we were getting ready for an international exhibition. We wanted to make our stand as good as we can, and we do our marketing as good as we can to attract new customers and turn our existing customers to loyal customers by making new meeting in the exhibition. When I was very excited about the 4 days international exhibition in Tehran, I received a shocking news. I understood that a petrochemical giant has entered to the thermo wood market and had started his business while he had hired my sales director, who has stolen all of the customers' data bank and everything we have as a data bank or secret in our company. Now my sales director, my previous sales director, was in the competitor's stand in the international market, has started propaganda against us, and is inviting customers, existing customers and new customers to buy from their new brand. Our first decision was not talking about the competitors at all. Just we were supposed to focus on our business, product and advantages and try to do our presentation as good as we can and making as efficient as we can meetings with our customers. But every day after exhibition, we had long meetings in our office to see what could we do and what is the solution. At last we decided to prepare an offer package for our customers, which contains very interesting things inside the package, which could attract almost 100% of the existing customers and also prospects, potential customers. But we didn't say anything about our offer or package in the exhibition because I was thinking, if I announce any offer, competitor will announce a better offer, and then we are going to a loop and we are going to lose. While our brand and reputation was very good built in that 5 or 6 years, it was a big advantage for us, and we were wise if we could use from this advantage and turn the threat to the opportunity. It was exactly what we wanted to do. After 4 days, exhibition was finished and we had gathered very good information and data bank about the visitors who had visited our stands. And also we had our existing customers data bank also. Then now we have a very good data bank which contains existing customers and potential customers or prospects. It is the time for selling them with our offer and get almost 100% of the market share and do not let the competitor to grow. And we got ready for the marketing and telling the customers, existing customers and the prospects, that what we have to offer to attract almost 100% of them. In that time I remember SMS of the mobile phones and also maybe Telegram. I cannot remember exactly what was the methods, but we did everything that we could. And we decided to start marketing exactly next week, the first day, when we wanted to make a shock for our competitor. We did it. What was the result? We could collect almost 100% of the market because our offer was very interesting. We had a good deal with our source in Finland and we transferred all of the deal to the customers. We were not thinking about the profit or loss, just we were thinking to get market share and not let the competitor to grow. That's why it was the best time to do it and we did it. When we were preparing the offer, just we were thinking while our brand has a good reputation, our offer should be something that no one could refuse it. It should be very interesting. Now we are not thinking how much do we want to have as a profit or how profitable is my offer for our company. It was how interesting and profitable is it for our prospect, for our customer. That's why our campaign was very successful. The good news, after 7 months, our competitor stopped working in the thermowood market. After about one year, I had a call from the sales director who wanted her previous job. But I said, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for you. And I'm sorry, how do you dare to call me again? How you can do it? What is the result? Never give up. Never give up. And when you find any challenge, any difficulty, any problem, just be patient. Be patient, not be shocked, and try to do the best. Always the best is thinking together with your team. If you want to think alone, you won't be able to succeed. You won't be successful at all. Brainstorming, thinking together, doing together, and also respecting all people's idea and let all managers, all people, team members to say about their idea is what I have always considered in my businesses. Whether I was in the thermo-treated wood, I was in the watch industry, I was in the construction, investment, everything. All of my businesses, I have relied on my team and I have respected their idea. And I have let all of the team members to think and to talk about their thought freely and bravely. It is what we need if we want to be successful in our business. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumb up, like it, and share it with all of your friends, family, colleagues, everyone who are interested in the business. If you have not subscribed in my YouTube channel, do it right now, please, because of not losing the good contents in business, marketing, sales, and closing deals. I share my experiences in this YouTube channel to help you to be a better version of yourself in your business.